Hey everybody, I'm Carnick Talian with High Efficiency Cooling and Heating. We've been in business since 2005 with over 20,000 customers here in the Greater Toronto Area. We're a factory authorized dealer for Carrier and repeat President's Award winner year after year. Today, I'd like to talk to you about technology that's transforming our industry. Most of you might be wondering, what is a heat pump? How can it benefit me? A heat pump can be used in a ductless or ducted system. In a ducted system, it actually replaces your air conditioner. There's an outdoor unit, the line set that goes to the coil that sits above the furnace, and as the furnace moves air over that coil, it's moving the warm air or cool air into the supply of the home. There are a couple major differences though between traditional air conditioners and high efficiency heat pumps. Both are measured in something called SEER, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. The higher that number, the more energy efficient the unit is. Heat pumps typically have a much higher SEER rating, and all that means is, for the same home, for the same cooling, it's going to consume less electricity. The other major difference when it comes to heat pumps, not only does it provide cooling, but using something called an inversion process can also provide heating for the home. Even when it's freezing cold outside, or so it feels like for us, there's still some warmth in the air. And what the heat pump is doing is absorbing that warmth and moving the heat into the home. Remember to give us a call to see if you qualify for this wonderful upgrade. And until next time, remember, your comfort is our promise.